Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Show. Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Academy. Give your lifestyle a fresh start and create abundance. So, today we're going to talk about, sorry, I was eating, guys. We're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. We're going to talk about cryptocurrencies in the current state of affairs of the market, right? So the first thing is, let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has pretty much crashed. Bitcoin pretty much giving up half its value. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, the website that I'm using to analyze my coins is tradingview.com. That's TradingView.com. They are not paying me for this. I just find TradingView to be a very useful tool. All right, so the first thing you want to do is when you analyzing a coin. Now let's look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, the weekly chart. So Bitcoin was on the roll, right? And I still believe that Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million one day, right? So if you guys have any questions, let me know. So the way I analyze coin is, first I find the support and resistance, right? I find all the supports and the resistance. This is the weekly support and the weekly resistance, right? Bear with me. So we're going to talk about this. So we noticed that on April 21, Bitcoin went all the way up to what? A high of 64, almost 65,000, right? But then when it got up here around 60,100, we're gonna make it 60,000 flat. Oh, excuse me. I like to deal with even numbers, you know what I'm saying, guys? So it went up here, and then it resisted, right? It broke up here. Now this is the weekly chart, by the way. Broke up here, but then it closed under the resistance level, right? And it pretty much just consolidated here. And then it reversed. It came back down to 30,000. So I'm guessing Bitcoin is worth about 30,000, right? It went back. So then you seen a doji right here. And then shot back up to the highest it went is 69,000. Right? I thought it was higher than that, about 70,000. So 69 is the highest. About what's the highest? Yeah, about 69,000, right? But then it crashed back to about 30,000. So I did a. If you go look, if you go look at my videos, I got a video somewhere where I talked about where I needed to see Bitcoin before I could buy. So according to this, on the weekly chart, we still on an uptrend. Why is it on an uptrend? Price would, well, I guess it did. Price would have to close below here. Well, I guess you can't really count this because this is today, right? Gotta wait to see, because they probably had over-the-counter trading to see where price is gonna go. But right now, I see Bitcoin valued at about 30,000. So it might bounce back up. Gotta wait to see what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? But right now, it's still, I still consider. Well, let me see. This is the last. No, it's on the. Yeah, close below that. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait to see. Yeah, well, I guess you could consider a downtrend because it closed lower than this, the last low. So we have to wait to see. You know what I'm saying? So let me add a indicator to it. Guys, you're gonna have to bear. I'm gonna be here for a little bit, so 150 moving average. Yeah, so on the 200 moving average, it just touched the 200 moving average. You know what I'm saying? It broke below the 50 moving average. So on a 50 moving average, yeah, we're looking at a downtrend. What makes it a downtrend is because it broke this low, right? So really, it has to close below here for it to be considered a downtrend. So I would consider this a downtrend, and I'm looking for it to go like some. It could go all the way back. It could literally go down to 15,000. Literally go back down to like 5,000, 3,000. I'm seeing that. But it's too early to tell because it might just bounce off here, bounce back up here, right? It looked like it's forming a up, head and shoulder. One of those. Yeah, it's like an information, right? Or it could do it. It could get back up here from the W, come all the way back down. But I don't know yet. So, or it could, it could just bounce back up here. You know what I'm saying? From a triple top, right? Or head and shoulders, head. On the daily, it's definitely a downtrend. Okay, so what would make it a downtrend, right? Up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It would have to close below this, higher high, this, because this is high, this one, and it did close below that. So now we're down here. It went all the way down to the lowest it went. Crazy, Bitcoin went all the way back down this way. 25,000. It went down about 25,000, right? A dot is okay. 25,401. So, and it closed below 3175, 1750. We'll make this one 3175 flat. 31,750. A little bit more accurate. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, it consolidated here, it bounced up, then it came down. Look at this. Move. Came all the way down. So I'm looking up. So it might bounce back up this way, retest, and come back up to about 65,000, maybe. We have to wait and see. We have to play by ear. Or it could just bounce back up here and continue down. If it go down, I'm looking for it to go all the way back down to around 10,000. It could go to 20. Yeah, it could go to 20. Right here, about 20. 20 first, about $20,000 first. And then down the trenches. It's definitely a downtrend. That's what the news saying. Let's just look at we're gonna briefly look at the news. We're not gonna do too much. News: Brazil leading financial launch crypto trading platform. Bitcoin fly to AU's largest airline. Prosecutors Jail time for BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes. Luna relisted on Binance as new data reveal movement of. Yeah, so Luna, Luna's popping right now, right? Luna. Now I don't have Luna, but I'm about to get my hand on some Luna. Luna is a good coin. LUNA. Billionaire Bill Miller remained bullish on Bitcoin despite ongoing crash. Yeah, we're going through a crash right now. The crash actually offers an opportunity to get in. You put in put in a couple dollars, maybe you got a couple $1,000 you want to put in. On the daily chart, so yep, it's a downtrend. But it is it's a doji right here. The reverse hammer. So, like I said, we're gonna play this thing by ear. We do something like this. Go down to the trenches. Y'all know what I'm trying to do, right? Bounce here. Then go down. Yeah, I could do something like that. You know what I'm saying? Or it could just bounce up. Bounce down. Bounce back up. Like I said, you gotta play it by ear. It could go here too. It could go somewhere like here. So all these are resistance points, you know what I'm saying? So what you could do is you could probably, if it comes up here, right? Let's say come up here, it bounces back. Sometimes it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it would have to close above the moving average. Like, let me show you what I mean. So I closed above the moving average, then it retested and started going up. If I see, you see how it went up, it went back up, then it retested. That's retest meaning it bounced back off the moving average. It went up, retested again, consolidated, and it started going up. See, I'm gonna be looking for something like that over here before I can consider moving it. All right, guys. Okay, so let's look at another coin. So we're not gonna overanalyze stuff here. You know what I'm saying? So just like I say, stay in touch with me. Look me up on Instagram, Lewis John D. Look me up on Facebook, Johndy Lewis. I'm also on Twitter. If you want to reach me via email, you can send me an email at 4wealthypillars@gmail.com. That's the number 4 wealthypillars@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm just waiting for confirmation. So for me to know if I should buy, and maybe I could buy here up to 45,000, right? Between around that area. Then when I get up there, you know, I'm gonna decide what to do. But right now, Bitcoin is still crashing. Okay, So now let's go on to the next. We're gonna do the cryptocurrencies first, and then we're gonna get to foreign exchange. Let's look at some of the coins. So now we're gonna look at some of the coins you can try to capitalize off of. Like I said, you gotta know when to enter, man. You gotta enter at the right time. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up. I might send you the signal. I don't know. I might ask you for a little cash app or something. You know what I'm saying? Everybody asks for cash app. You say, send me a little cash app, okay? So let's figure this out. What other coin I'm looking at? So we're gonna start with my favorite, Uniswap. So Uniswap just been on a downtrend. So yep. On a daily chart. First, what is this? The first shooting star, not the hanging man. Yeah, this is a reverse. This is a reverse symbol. It's not coming to my mind right now. The shooting star, like a reverse shooting star, but it's not a shooting star. That's not the name of it. It's not a hanging man. But this right here look like it's a reversal, because this inverted hammer right here. This is a hammer. This is what, inverted hammer, right? So got this hammer right here, right? You got this inverted hammer, right? So this is an indication that price is going up. It's already probably above the movement. So it's already crossing. So nice. It's crossing. So on the 4 hours, as you can see, it's kind of like consolidating. Usually, how you know something is consolidating when they trading in the middle like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me see it. Consolidation. They're in the middle. And a nice downtrend. Whenever it's going down, it's always on the bottom. If it's going up, it's on top of the moving averages. Okay, guys, I'm not here to explain that right now. So it looked to me like it was consolidating right here. Broke the consolidation, it retested, now it started going down. So officially, Uniswap is on a downtrend. Around May, Uniswap was actually peaking at 44,000, around 44,000. So it pretty much gave up all its value, most of it, right? But this one right here is a good opportunity. Uniswap is a good opportunity. Uniswap is worth 40. It's really worth 44. It's really worth $44. So this is a good opportunity. You gotta play it by ear. On the 4 hour, see on the 4 hour. So what I would wait for it, I would wait for the red, for the blue to go above the red like this one, and to give me like a bullish confirmation. See, right now it's sideways. You don't really know. Sorry, it went up on it started going up on the 1 hour chart, right? But now, like I said, it's consolidating. And it's burning. So we have to see what's gonna happen here. So for me to consider this, it's still a downtrend, you know what I'm saying? For me to consider this a reversal of the downtrend, this is kind of tricky, right? It would have to close above here, right here. Some people might have it different. I'm looking for price close about here. You know what I'm saying? right here. We to consider the uptrend. So right now, I still see it as a downtrend, but if I was to see, I'm gonna play it by ear, right? You could try to catch it up here to $8, right? So if you got $5 to $8, you put $5 in now, and it goes up this way, it's to $8. But like I said, you gotta play by ear. It looked to me like it could be going back up. Let's look at Ethereum. Sideways, same thing. Like I told you, whatever happened to Bitcoin is what they're gonna do. So the same thing. You know what I'm saying? For me to consider it to be an uptrend, I would need it to close up here. So we're on a downtrend still. Like I said, this might be an opportunity to get in. Gotta play by ear. I don't really see it yet. It's going sideways right now, so is it time to buy it? I don't know. Oh shit. Cause the way I trade is kind of different. Before I even consider buying, I would need price to close above the moving average. So not sure yet. Okay, so let me give you some of the coins I'm looking at that you could play with. Got BTC. That's Bitcoin USD. That's Ethereum. I got Ethereum here. USDT. Oh yeah. By the way, guys, here's another thing too that maybe a lot of you guys don't notice. That when the market is crashing like that, right? When you see that the market is crashing like that and price is going down like this, right? So that's why you gotta play it by ear and listen to the market. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get a little bit more deep into this. What you could do is you could once you know that the market is crashing is what you could buy is you put your money in a stable coin, right? Like you see BTC USDT. So a stable coin is like this USDT. You put your money in it. You put your money in a coin in a USDT coin. Let me see. Okay, the thing about USDT coins is they follow the dollar. God, look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this. My God. Yeah, but either way, you know it's going up like that. This ain't it. I don't know what this is. 82B. So basically, you get a stable coin that follows this coin. The USDT is really 99 cents. All right, guys. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on, give me a second. It's known as a tether. The tether. It's 99 cents. You know, let me do it like this. Show you my portfolio. Okay. This is one of the websites that I use to study my coins. It is known as CoinGecko. I don't know if you know about it. There's thousands of coins there. Just gonna show you the coins I'm looking at. Bitcoin is at 29,000. Ethereum at 2,000. Yeah, okay. Tether, this is the one I was talking about. It's 99 cents. USD coin, that's another coin, stable coin. So yeah, when the market is crashing, you got to make sure you take your money out of Bitcoin and you put it in a stable coin. All right, you got XRP. Cardano is a good coin. Binance. All these coins, man, are just up for the grab. You know what I'm saying? And look right there. They give you the option to use TradingView too. You know what I'm saying? Just that's all I use. You know what I'm saying, to analyze my the market. Right? Thing is loading a little bit. So look, this one is already started. This one BNB. That's a Binance, by the way. Binance is amazing. Binance is amazing. Yeah. So look at the daily. Yep, downtrend. What makes it a downtrend? It closed below here, right? Yep. So it's a downtrend. But they all giving signals that it's about to reverse. Look at this. This is the volume. There was a lot of sellers, man. The sellers just want. The sellers just been winning, and I'm 100% sure that all this instability has plays a lot with the war in Russia. Um, got another one. Let me look at my portfolio. Cosmos. Look at Cosmo. Okay. Trading view. Went up 1,000. Return on investment is 10,601% for this coin. Same thing. Usually do whatever Bitcoin does. Same thing, downtrend. Everything's on a downtrend, man. Everything is crashing right now. So this coin is worth about $48. It hasn't been able to really break 48. I'm telling y'all, man. You guys gonna love me, man. See, cause you know why? Cause I don't pander to y'all. Now, so I'm gonna spit the game for real. You know what I'm saying? Like all these people, they pander. You know what I'm saying? They pander, and they don't wanna. And but I'm gonna give you this information. That's cause I'm gonna want you to keep fucking with me. So why would I lie to you? It's all about value. You know what I'm saying? On the Johnny Lewis show, we're about creating value. So it wasn't able to break 44, right? Past 44,000 up to 45. I mean, it broke it, but you know what I mean. It wasn't able. Went up there, came back down, right? Went up, came down, went back up, came down, went back up, came down, right? And for it to be a downtrend, it would have had to break this. It would have to break below here, which it did right here. So now it's on the downtrend. It looked like it might be a little pullback. So you could see a, you could probably see a hang on, you could probably see a bounce back up here, right? So do you buy? Do you buy this? Let me see. Tell you in a minute. Time to buy yet? I need to enter indicator. Right? Give me a second, guys. An average. I'm gonna use one. Average. I don't even know if that's the exponential moving average. This one. Both on the same color. So how am I gonna know which one? Simple. It's simple. Add it. Moving average. Exponential. I use the exponential moving average. I don't use. Is it time to buy yet? 4 hours. It's kind of trading in the middle, so it's hard to tell. But you do have this uptrend right here. It did close above, but then it bounced back. For me to consider an uptrend, I guess I would need for it to take that one out. Close above here. Like I said, I'm playing it by ear. If you hit me up and I decide to buy it, I'll let you know. You give me your email address, you know what I'm saying? Look. Not gonna go over all the coins, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just showing you. I call it Neo. Neo's a good coin. Synthetic token, stacks, icon, Kali. So let's talk about something right quick, right? I was talking to my brother the other day, right? So I was like, "Are you still investing in coins?" And my brother was like, "Man, I ain't trying to mess with that, man. I done invested and I lost money. And the reason why you lost money is because you gambling, bro. A lot of y'all out here gambling. A lot of y'all out here do not respect the process. You get what I'm saying? You will go to school for a college degree, spend 3-4 years to learn that college degree, but you expect to learn foreign exchange overnight. It doesn't work like that. You know what I'm saying? The requirement, the patient, and the education is just as hard as any college degree. It's not really that hard, but the psychology of it is really hard. You know what I'm saying? That's something that you really need to master. And you get what I'm saying? But hit me up though. Hit me up. If you want to use me as a mentor, I can mentor you and show you how to invest in foreign exchange. I can help you out with cryptocurrencies and all of that. Just hit me up. Let me know. All right. I've already left my info. I might leave my info in the description. Talked about Uniswap. Uniswap is a good coin. All right, so I'm not gonna talk too much more about cryptocurrencies. I think I've already showed you some stuff. Also, Luna. I'm gonna look up Luna. Luna is a coin that I'm interested in. I'm always hearing about Luna. Right, so let's look it up. Luna. Luna. What is Luna? Which one is it? Not that one. Oh, see, look. Pretty cheap, guys. Pretty cheap. That's Luna. Am I being tricked or something? I don't even know. Well, I saw two of them. I don't know which one which. They both got the same symbol. Got this one, Terra. Wormhole. Dang, what the hell? Luna. Max. Trading view. Let me see. Yeah, but this coin is extremely cheap, man. You put $100 in here, man. You good, man. You put $100 in this coin right here, but I don't know yet. Don't take my word for it. I'm gonna do. I gotta do more research on this coin, guys. I'm not even about to. I think TradingView picked it up, man. I think Binance picked it up. But they go right here. Damn. So Luna is really expensive. So it's worth. It went all the way up to like $110. God, what the hell happened? Market crash. We're not gonna get too much on the market crash here. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna get too much into that. You know what I'm saying? But what we're gonna get into is the. Oh, that's crazy. This coin went all. This coin gave back all its value, man. This coin right here, Luna, might be a coin to keep your eyes out for. Okay, that's LUNA. Keep your eyes out for this coin. That is crazy, man. This is an amazing opportunity. Put $100 into that coin right here. Forget about it. One of my strategies. Okay. Man, that's a nice. I'm not really deep into cryptocurrencies like that. No, I just buy them whole, but I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna be sharing this information with you guys. So now let's get back to foreign exchange. Okay, for as you guys know, like cryptocurrencies, I'm not an everyday trader of cryptocurrencies. I'm more like to just buy and hold. What I trade every day is USDT. So what I really trade is cryptocurrencies. Talk about gold first. My favorite pair right here. Indicators. So people been rallying toward gold a lot, and usually people rally toward gold when they don't trust the dollar. And I guess what's going on in Europe, the instability that's going on in Europe between Russia and Ukraine. So let's look at this coin right quick. Weekly chart. By the way, I don't recommend people trading when you first get into foreign exchange. I don't recommend trading gold because gold is very volatile. You could really easily lose your money if you don't know what you're doing. Those are one of the things you have to demo until you figure it out. Okay, so the highest the coin went up to is about, it closed around 2037. The highest it went to was 2075. Let's figure it. So it might have reached its threshold. I think that's the highest it ever been. Price. I play it by ear. Uh, all right. So yeah. Hey. Um. So have an indicator. Yeah. So I would say that right now, still on the uptrend, right? Look, I'm guessing it's gonna close somewhere down here, 1800. That's a psychological level. Close at 1800. Close here. On the daily, it's downtrend. Doji, it's Doji on the 4 hour. And it's right there at last year's low. Right? It gets really exciting around this area. Um Sure enough does. So might do a pullback and continue down, but it's gonna go up. It's probably gonna consolidate a little bit. They go a hammer. You got a reverse hammer right here. And but it's still, but you notice it's closing below the moving average. So like I said, for me to be considered buying, I would need price to close above the moving average. If I consider buying, I probably try to buy it at 18.99. I'll probably buy it here, 18.55. Cause gold move very different, man. It's really every 10 moves is a pip. So from 1800 to 1810, that's $1,000. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I say gold is very volatile. So the way I'm looking at it is I'm looking for maybe like a big move up here and a close above and probably a retest, and I'll probably try to take it to 18.99. If not, I'm looking for it to close below this. I'm looking for price to close below here, like something like this, right? Bounce back up. And then looking for it to go to the first place I'm looking is 1783, somewhere around 1783. I'm saying first. But like I said, man, price move very fast with gold. So gotta be very careful with gold. All right, from here, let me show you price range. Show you something. Find it. My brain's a little foggy right now. It's time for me to go to sleep. I work tomorrow. See, from here to here, from 2020 to 1783, that's 20. That's $21,000. That's a 20 right here, $21,000. See, that's a lot. Right? That's why you gotta play stuff like Euro USD first. Same thing, downtrend. So the reason why the European dollar is going down so much, still at downtrend now, is that it's basically at a downtrend. It's pretty much because of the instability going. It's pretty much because of the instability that's going on in Europe between Ukraine and Russia, which is bringing up the price of gas and sanctions. Everybody's sanctioning each other. So this was a big move down. So this might be a downtrend. But it might have to. All right, so look right here where I have these two boxes right here. You know, this one box, another one. So basically, when you see something is consolidating like that, all I do is create a box up under it, and I aim at it. It's gonna always go to the same box before you go up or go down. Either gonna go bounce back up, come back up, or go down, play around a little bit, and then go down. Okay. Right now, I'm still downtrend on that. We're gonna play that by ear. I might, when I do make a trade, I might post it up here. Okay. You do. Okay, this one look like it's be an uptrend. I said we're gonna play by ear. On the daily, it's a downtrend. Yeah, I'll be looking for sales. I won't even be looking for, but then again, I could probably take that on the 4-hour. Go down to the 1-hour. See, look, all right. Got the hammer right here. Got the big Maribozu. This right here is, I didn't catch it, but if I would have caught it, I would have seen this big Maribozu. I'll probably buy. I'll probably buy this Monday. Then again, I gotta see where it's bounced, because if you can see right here, really consolidating right here, right? So what I'm waiting to see is got bounce, came back, I bounced up. So I think I would actually buy this. Like I said, I'm not always right, so don't go buying it. If it goes against you, you mad at me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not responsible. Just saying what I would do. When it come Monday, I'm gonna buy it. Depending on what I see price do. For me, it would be right here. 15 minutes. Either place it right here below the last, which is not worth it. For me, I'm looking to take it right here. 5.1, man. 5-1 ratio. 5-1 risk to roll ratio. So I'm gonna put that as my list. Oh, I already got it. The coin to buy next week. One. Anything around psychological line. Above. This might be up. Above. Closed above. Yeah, so this one right here look like really a big consolidation, like right here maybe. So by the way, I put it on the bottom and the top too. Yeah, so this could right here this could be a retest right here, meaning that price could reverse. On a conservative note, I'll probably get it from right here. Probably aim to the next psychological level. Or you could just try to grab the box, you know what I'm saying? So just wait to see what happens. To me, it look like it's an uptrend. Short term, it could be a pullback. It could go back up here, man. It could go anywhere back up here. Hard to tell because it went up a little bit. Now you see all these little dojis. So we just have to see how it play. You know what I'm saying? You probably place a sell somewhere around here on 15 minutes, right? Up for the trenches. There you have it. Yeah, 2.5. I don't know. You could. That's the most. That's more aggressive for me. You know what I'm saying? But if I start seeing lower lows, I might try to get it somewhere up here. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep my risk low. Just to get my reward high. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that's it. But look, man. So the number one thing that I want to get you to understand is that even if market crash is not necessarily a bad thing. Well, it's a bad thing for people who doesn't understand how to capitalize off of it. You know what I'm saying? So let me end this with this right here. I gotta find it first. Give me a second. It's a quote from Napoleon Hill. Give me a second. Okay. I like to end things on a good note. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna end this on a good note, okay? So I just showed you. So pretty much, maybe you didn't really understand too much what I just showed you, right? But at least you know some good coins to look at. Like I said, man, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Huh. Okay, there you go. I just want to read this to you from Napoleon Hill. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. All right. So the market crash can be a benefit to you. It's really a goal in disguise for people who are financially intelligent, because a market crash actually opened up the opportunity for you to create abundance. Up until next time.